Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on dividing negative numbers worksheet. So this video gives us a worksheet where we can practice dividing negative numbers together. And we have to use the rules that govern this process. Now, if you're not sure what the rules are, we've had a lesson on this. And on the next slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So we're being asked to simplify each of the following by using the rules for dividing negative numbers. So the first example, we have a positive number divided by a positive number. There's a rule which tells us what is the sign of the final answer. We have a negative number divided by a negative number. There's a similar rule which tells us the sign. The important thing is to work out what is the sign of the answer. Is it plus or minus? Then we have a positive number divided by a negative number. We write the answer with the correct sign. And we have a negative number divided by a positive number. And we write the answer with the correct sign. So if you know the rule for each of those four, you'll be able to do all the rest. When you have three terms like this, all you do, you take the first two. So for this one, since there are no grouping symbols or brackets, and we only have division, we always go from left to right, so you just do those two first. And it's similar with this one. With this one here, obviously, simplify what's inside the brackets first before we square. Do those two. Here, simplify that, then simplify that, and then you do the division. Again, we do those two first. Now here, we do those two, because here you have four terms. So you still work from left to right. But you have to do that one first. When you get the answer to that one, then you divide it by -3. And when you get the answer for those, then you divide it by -4. So you just work slowly from left to right. Here, work out the answer inside the brackets for each one. Then you do the division. Work out this part, work out that part, then do the division. Same here. Work out each of those individually, and then work from left to right. And over here, obviously, work out what's on the numerator, work out what's on the denominator, and then do your division. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice doing some examples involving the division of negative numbers. And we just need to follow the rules as they were introduced in the lesson. And if you want to go to the lesson to find out what those rules are, on the next slide there's a link. Click on the link and it will take you to the lesson to explain how to do each and every example.